Very sophisticated, a sophisticated young man. I may wear all black, but I'm not a hoodlum.
But based off what I'm looking at, it looks like it would just want to push into 930. Like, that's my expectation. Damn, Keno got his straight. Not every day is a trading day, because guess what? Not every day you're gonna make money. Playing defense, keeping your account safe. Right here, put a big mirror here, because as you guys know, I put these paintings over here, so I wanna put a mirror on this wall. So if you guys want some good smell goods, I promise you, I will never do you wrong. Now this is a vibe. Now this right here is a vibe. I'm in the new little corner view. These are the vibes that I'm talking about. And you even hit 22,000 followers on Instagram. I'm getting active on both Instagram and YouTube every single day. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. It is about to be 9:30. It is Monday on the 26th today is. Today's the 26th of Thursday, December 26th. So we're about to get active. We're about to see if we can catch some trades. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading a new challenge. I might buy a new challenge. Not sure what I'm about to do, but I think I'm only allowed 3 accounts max on my funded futures, so I personally don't see a point in trading it. So maybe I trade the Clarity account, but honestly, I'm not gonna be trading anything crazy. So we're just gonna show up with the team, see what we can do, give some value, just explain everything that we do on a daily basis behind the charts. So let's get straight to it. But based off what I'm looking at, it looks like it would just want to push into 930. Like, that's my expectation. But I'm probably not taking shit like I keep telling y'all. I'm just kind of using this as a spectating day, getting the price action, getting the experience. Keno got TP. Damn, Keno got his straight. Not bad. Not bad. Go work, Keno. Considering it closed bullish, 9, an idea could be, if it were to retrace into that 1 hour gap, fill it going into 10. That could possibly be an idea considering it closed bullish. We'll see what it do. All right, so I indeed didn't take no trades, just got off the call. My phone is about to die, unfortunately, and there's cops going on out there, but the beauty of being downtown, it's early. It's 10 in the morning and they wildin', 10 in the morning. I don't know what the plan of action is today. All I know is I gotta go to the gym. I gotta get this VIP call done, which is done. We gotta get value on Instagram, probably go live on Instagram. Just do all the usual shit. It's the start, not even start of the week. It's the end of the week, but the holidays makes us feel like the start of the week. So we have today and tomorrow to get this trading shit out the way. So let's keep it going. It was a disciplined day. No trades were taken. You don't need to trade every day. Not every day is a trading day, because guess what? Not every day you're gonna make money. So you're just keeping yourself playing defense, keeping your account safe. All right, right now, took a shower and everything. Me and my girlfriend are about to get up out of here. So one of the few things I got for Christmas, I got 2 of these lamps, but they didn't come with light bulbs, so I gotta get light bulbs. For 2 lamps, I wanna get a mirror for right here, put a big mirror here, because as you guys know, I put these paintings over here, so I wanna put a mirror on this wall, so it kinda make everything seem bigger. You'll know what I mean later on. But I also low-key wanna get another tree, like in terms of like a plant, like the one that I have over there, something like that. And yeah, besides that, I also want to get a corner mirror for like standing up over there. So there's a lot of things I want to get today. I also potentially want to get new Ray-Ban glasses, because I like wearing glasses, but I don't always like having the nighttime glasses. Let me move up. The light is kind of crazy. I don't always like having the nighttime shades because it's dark all the time, but so I low-key want to get some transparent ones. I'm gonna see what they have. Got some money from Christmas, so I'm gonna treat myself with that. So yeah, we're gonna have a great day, productive day, none the least. But now I just gotta wait for my girlfriend. All right, right now we're at the mall. We just left the mall. We're about to head to actually like just do the regular shopping now. But I did get a few things. She got me this cologne that I wanted, this Mason Francis, this Amiris Homer from Simpsons. But this right here smells too good. Like she likes the Baccarat one, but this one right here,
I like Baccarat and ginger.
This right here smells good. We about to, yeah, I won't put that. We about to smoke. I'm gonna save it for after. People always wonder, like, do I smell like weed? Probably, but I smell better than you still. So fuck it. And then over here, she got me this cologne. And then I got myself some glasses. Got myself another pair of these metal ones. I already had a pair of the black ones that I could use like outside, but these ones are the actual transition ones, and they're not dark, so I don't have to wear them. I can wear them outside. Look at them. Fancy, right? You can see right through them. Look, 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 look. You can see right into the hardware. It's kind of cool, but these are gonna be my daily glasses, so I'm not always gonna have to wear my designer frames. You know what I'm saying? Now I just gotta very sophisticated, a sophisticated young man. I may wear all black, but I'm not a hoodlum. I'm sophisticated, and the glasses now show it. My glasses show the sophistication. Now I can just put these inside the big bag. See, everything's all coming together. One of the things I had got, I think it's my YouTube thing. Yeah, look at this. YouTube sent me a hoodie for Christmas. Look at this. Look at my YouTube sweater.
Oh,
good drip.
Cute.
All right, we about to go into Marshall's, see what we can find. What's this? Latin VIP now. Smell good, feel good equals confidence in yourself. And right now at Ross, I think I found some mirrors. I'm trying to think. I like this one. I think this one would be good for my room. This one right here. Right here is crazy. We found mirrors. All this dust on them. Looks like cracks, but it's all the little hairs and stuff. But we got 2 mirrors, big ass mirrors. But now I got no room because we had to literally put the chairs all the way up for this to be able to fit in here without, yeah. We'll figure it out. Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah. Into the abyss of my jacket. Like this. And now I gotta sit down in my little tiny cage. Shit. Fuck, man.
Back inside the crib. So I want to show you guys, for 1, the cologne. 2, I'm going to show you a little bit of the glasses now that we got more of a better view. And I'm going to show you the mirrors. First things first, we got the first mirror. We had got 2 of them. We have 1 of them over here right now, so it definitely opens it all up. You can see behind us. This chair is here just for now, but once we move this tree, the chair is going to go over there, and then that light is going to be with the tree. It's going to be like a reading area, so that'll be thorough. Come on into the office. As of right now, this is where I have the other mirror in this corner. I need to move this. I'm thinking I might do something along the lines of something like this, kind of just like a divider type of vibe, and then move this. Oh, that string. Move this like right here, and then I'm honestly don't take a shower over here, so I'm gonna grab this and put that right there. Now this is a vibe. Now this right here is a vibe. So then when I close this door, I gotta, oh, my phone's, yeah, I'll show you that too. But when I close this door, this is a cool little vibe right here. I ain't gonna lie. Might leave this here. This might be, honestly, just leave that there, kind of make it a little hallway. So then when you walk in also, close this. Don't worry about what's in there. But when you walk in, it's kind of like you move into the space. But yeah, let me show you the cologne. I'm unfortunately getting full in here, so I'm gonna probably need to take them all out. But this is the new one right here. If you guys want some good smell goods, I promise you, I will never do you wrong. And speaking of the glasses, these are my other Ray-Bans. These ones are dark. As you guys can see, they're all black and dark. Got the Versace, the Burberry. But then I come over here, fix this my OCD. Come over here, gotta get rid of that too. Grab these, because these are the new Ray-Bans. These are the ones with a transparent, and you can see. So let me show you that also. I'm gonna be putting these with these, but look at the difference. These are valid. These are more everyday, wear them anywhere, and you can see if you look into them, it's too thorough. You can see like into it. Very cool, very cool. Add this to the list of gadgets that's going to continue making me money 2025.
Again, just got back from grabbing something. I'm about to go on Instagram live soon, and I came in here and I was just kind of looking at everything. I definitely think there should be a light there. Now, part of me wants to go over there and grab the LED strips that I have, but then part of me wants to put this light behind there, which I honestly think might be a good call. Let me try that. Here we go. Got the light, so I moved it from there, but I honestly, the only reason I had that in there is because I need to get a light bulb in here, but I also got to get a light bulb for that stand by the tree. But here we go. I like the vibe that it came out nice and cool. Got the print and everything nice and cool, but I'm about to smoke and then I'm about to hop on Instagram live. So yeah, let's make that happen.
All right, you know what time it is. I'm in the corner of my room. I got the light, I'm ready. I got the Fiji water because I'm not about to lose my voice, but we about to get straight to it, about to hop on Instagram live, about to give some game for the people. And as you know, it's just about to be another session, another day of changing people's lives. Simply that, and I'm in the new little corner view. These are the vibes that I'm talking about. And you see I got the glasses on. I'm feeling real spiffy right now. I'm feeling real elegant. But with that being said, without all the yapping, I'm gonna get everything all set up. I'm gonna give you guys some clips and everything. I'm gonna give you some game as always, but if you want the full game, go to the Instagram because I'm gonna have it posted as a reel. We even hit 22,000 followers on Instagram. I'm getting active on both Instagram and YouTube every single day. Value, so like I said, tap in. Here's some value.
What's up? Should I stop trading with people? It messes up my bias and I overtrade when I trade with somebody else. That just comes down to discipline. I trade with people every day. I don't let their biases change mine. It just comes to discipline. And I would say if you trade with people and learn to not care what they think, that would be better off for you long term. It may suck now, but it just comes down to discipline. Like, you don't have to take their trades. You don't have to let their bias affect you. And I think if you're in an environment where other people are saying their trades and you still stick to your bias, that's going to be good for you to build. That's why I like communities. What shoulder bag is your favorite? Because I see you have so many, but what do you like? I say I like my Louis Vuitton one. I like my Louis Vuitton messenger bag. I'll say the second one after that, I like my Gucci one, but just because it matches with the Gucci duffel bag that I got. So it's like kind of set. But the Louis one is good because it's pretty big and it's not bulky, it's slim. I don't like big ass bags. I like a nice little slim fit with the all black type shit. But how we all doing? Hope y'all had a good Christmas. I got a video posted yesterday. If you didn't check it out on the YouTube, check it out. Was it hard for you to get this apartment? I mean, not necessarily. I would say it's been harder for me to get other apartments compared to this one. You just got to make a certain amount of money. I joined your VIP group last week and just been studying all the game you got in there. Just psychology that I can get down. There's a lot of value in there. I would say the main thing to do is just show up to the live sessions, just ask questions. Because I'm gonna be there, everyone else is gonna be there, you know, Kino's there, and just trust me, show up and ask questions, we're gonna be able to help you. Did you trade today? No, I didn't take trades today. I showed up with the team, but I didn't take trades. What would be your profit percentage per month? What would your profit target percentage per month would be if you had a 50K live account? Like if it was a live account, I honestly, if I'm risking a good, I would say 500 to 1,000 a day or so. I would say at the end of the month, maybe 5 to 10% is more than enough. If you can average 5 to 6%, that's a pretty good numbers. Think in reality how often you're gonna make that type of percentage in anything else. You saw the bullish move on US 30. I think I seen a little bit of it earlier, but I really wasn't on the charts too crazy today. I can check it right now. Yeah, US 30 went, okay. Oh, so yeah, US 30 went bullish. It was a cool little move. I didn't take it though. What are your thoughts on people becoming profitable within 6 months to a year? I would say it's hard to become profitable from 6 months to a year because it's just not enough experience to even say you're profitable yet. You're still very early on. Like unless you've gone through years of trading, you don't really know what you're in for yet. Because some years are different than other years. They're gonna have different conditions. You're gonna react differently. You're gonna have different things going on in life. Like 6 months to a year is not a lot of time. You can make money within 6 months to a year, but that doesn't mean you're gonna be consistently profitable within 6 months to a year. Just takes time. Don't force anything. That's the main thing I'll say. Don't force anything because if you try to force your success, it's likely not gonna come when you want to, and then those expectations are just gonna lead you in tilt. It's just not worth it. Focus on the day-by-day process.
It'll happen when it happens. Everyone's time is different. How long it took me to get to this point is different than it may take you. It may take you longer. It may take you faster.
All right, team, y'all know what the vibes are. We at the gym, no days off. I ain't gonna lie, bro, my right arm, yesterday it was Christmas, right? And my girlfriend's family was over at the apartment. And bro, we were playing Wii Sports. I ain't gonna lie. I was cooking them bad in badminton, like bad. But one thing I also got cooked up bad was my right arm, bro. That right arm is sore as shit. No diddy, but like it's crazy sore. Like all I was just doing was like bro, for like an hour straight, like my right arm is actually cooked. Shit's crazy, but you know what? Now I'm about to just get a workout and just kill it more, because that makes sense, don't it? Makes a whole lot of sense. But y'all know the vibes. About to have another daily workout, daily full body, another day, another session. So no days off, no matter how I feel. Even if I'm just here for 15 and 20 minutes, it's better than me not coming at all, because me coming right now is only gonna ensure that the likelihood of me building the discipline to come again tomorrow is more likely. So that's all it's about. No cap. And then after this, I gotta go upstairs. I'm probably just gonna end up getting this vlog all cooked up. Not gonna be none crazy today. We're just gonna build the consistency, build ourselves, and get back into the swing of things. But look at the back, y'all see the hoodie. Learn how to make money. Scan that shit if you wanna get on the free trading course. No cap. Well, without all the yapping, I'm about to put on some Coach Kyle, get my daily education, because if you're not learning, if you're not improving, if you're not moving forward, you're moving backwards. And we're almost about to end our night. It's time to get some food. You know what I'm saying? The last couple of days we've been eating food from the family because they've been cooking food, but now it's back to the regular scheduled program. I'm going to get my Bahama Breeze. So yeah, but this is where the video is going to be coming to a end. Overall, we got everything done for the day. Got a whole lot done when it comes to the crib, so a lot of the makeover that I was aiming to get done is done. I mainly just gotta get like I want to get like another rug for my room. Besides the rug in the room, I don't really think I want to add anything else. I think the next major thing that I would add in the room is probably a new desk or an additional desk. But as of right now, I don't really care for that. Oh no, sound panels. Sound panels is probably the thing I would add next. I want a sound panel, probably the ceiling or something like that, just to make it less of an echo. That makes sense. But neither here nor there is good for now. But we went to the gym, got the Instagram live done, and now we're ending the day off. I got majority of the vlog edited. I got the glasses with a whole bunch of content, as you guys seen. So it was an overall productive day, just another day, but we're gonna end the week off strong tomorrow, continue doing what we did today, because it's gonna be the same thing that gets us to the next level, continuing to do what works, just to a different scale, just scaling. That's all it is. Scaling when it comes to YouTube, scaling when it comes to how much I risk per trade, scaling when it comes to how many people I can get to join the VIP. All of it is just about numbers. Where is this car coming from?
Going down
I'm not. I'm going down the right way, but Corvette going the wrong way, but I don't even blame him. Find your spot, buddy. But if you guys want to learn how to trade, the free trading course is in the description. If you want to join VIP, make sure you join it while it's on sale. It's only $30 until January 1st. So make sure you take advantage. It's never going to be this low. The price is going to get increased in 2025. So don't say I didn't warn you. Get in while it's at the lowest it's ever been. Take advantage of it. I'm leaving it on sale, like I said, until January 1st. But after January 1st, you'll likely never see these prices again. But don't say I didn't warn y'all. Y'all stay safe, stay productive. If you want to learn, everything is in the bio. Stay safe, stay productive.